Remember, if you want to support the channel, because the last 5 videos did get demonetized, make sure you go to the store, get the drill booklet, the digital one. It's 15 bucks, instant delivery. You have it on your phone, and then you can go ahead and practice your Smart Rider drills. All right, here we go. Marty Bodie. That's the names. Oh, woo. Bambi was having some fun there. Look at that. That's impressive. Probably hit the car. Look at that. That was close. That would have taken you out. That's an illegal hit in American football. Going for the head. Yeah. Yeah. Not good. It's a big bunny. Here we go. So intersections, orange stage, you don't know if there's going to be a left turner, so go ahead and apply the brakes. Just because... That's great. This is like a good video. This is a good video. We're going to have some fun with this one. So intersections, we're going to be in orange stage. Even though it's green, you don't know if there's going to be a left turner. Remember, we're using our brain to think about stuff. Liquid Metal 67. You guys are all going to be in the video on demand after this too, by the way. So we see the left turner. The nose is pointed towards out. It's like, hey, path of travel violation. You never know. Let's go ahead and roll off the throttle since we're so far ahead, right? We have a great space cushion. You can just roll off the throttle, which you can hear, and then cover your brakes and maybe even give it a little bit. Just give it a little bit. You don't have to stop. But what we talked about earlier is that that second vehicle could go out too. You never know. Good job. And after this, we're in the intersection, right? So the new hazard is we possibly can get hit. This is a dangerous area. Let's get into the road that's ahead of us where we don't have to deal with that because we have a median. So let's go ahead and accelerate back out. There we go. Okay.
A situation where target fixation was the leading cause of this rider's problems.
Whoa. Whoa.
I would say target fixation was a factor. The Beard of Doom, welcome back. He got the nice beard. I would say too much speed. I would say too much speed led to a factor in this.
We have a situation.
And then target fixation put him towards the edge because he was looking at the edge instead of looking through the turn. So target fixation is a tool. Utilize it. Target fixate on your exit, which is over here. Don't look at the wall that you're going too fast in. So we're going a little too fast. Like, oh no, I'm going a little too fast. I'm starting to go towards the edge. Now I'm looking at the edge. When it's like, oh no, I'm going a little too fast. Let's roll off the throttle and look and force ourselves through strength of will and our body to go through and make that turn. So that's what target fixation is a tool.
Cause of this rider's problems.
I would say too much speed is the leading cause or leading factor. Target fixation also applied to that.
Hit that.
Hopefully he's doing fine.
That is what
What is he looking at on his phone? Come on, buddy. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? All right, let's see what happens here. So they switched over, switched back. So that person switched over probably for the same exact reason you switched over. So if you understand that, you can understand why they might have done that. Cool. Now you're done with understanding them. Now, what are you going to do? And he did exactly what you should. So it's like, yeah, I'm going to switch over, did a head check. Okay, they switched over too. Now, if I keep switching over, I'm fighting for the lane. They're going to win because it's a big vehicle. Let's go back. Let's go back. But you never know why they switched, right? There could be an object in front of them. So we're definitely in orange stage thinking about this. But then we're going to switch into red stage because we have to do something. Cover those brakes because you don't know if there was an object in the road. A vehicle basically stopped trying to turn right. So you're going to have to keep readjusting yourself. So not like that, guys. But you're going to have to keep readjusting yourself. And then who knows? You're going to have to go into red stage here. And if there was a vehicle there because your line of sight is terrible, you're going to have to apply the brakes or find another escape. So you're constantly on alert. Let's get to 200 likes, everybody. Here we go. Hey, I haven't seen this guy in a while. Uh-oh, cop.
Another sheriff.
Did we just run a red? No. Ooh. Can we rescue?
Hey, careful with her. Hey, I would set her down. I would set her down.
Now he's stealing all our gifts. Just kidding.
Something
Very good.
On at least.
Comfort is a big thing.
Let me stop people over.
Any little creature comforts for somebody in a situation like that really helps out. So now, if we have first responders on scene, you can pretty much leave if you want. There you go. If you want, you can leave. Oh, he's already there. You can leave if you want.
Yeah.
Because now you're just...
Take care, brother.
You could also get hit. There you go. Very good. Very good. I like that. So what do we do in this situation? We don't have to pull her out because you don't know what kind of injuries she has. If we're looking at this, let's do a quick little thinking scenario. Frontal impact, so hopefully airbag seatbelt kind of stopped her, but she might have wrist injuries. She could have whiplash, so that's going to be an upper neck injury, typically just the muscles and tendons, but who knows? It could be a cervical spine injury. So yeah, I would just leave her in there. I'm not worried about the car catching fire. You're going to see some like dust and looks like smoke, and that's probably from the airbags because it does have a propellant. It's basically like a gunshot to get the airbag out. So you're going to see that. She might even have some burns on her wrist because if she's holding like this, it's going to burn a little bit. So she's going to have pain there, maybe pain in the wrist because it's holding onto the steering wheel, maybe a little bit of pain from the seatbelt. And she might have blood, right? Because the airbag can break your nose, but it's better than, dying. But who knows, right? So she's safe in the vehicle. Once you pull her out of the vehicle and somebody else comes in and hits the scene, well, she doesn't have the crumple zones and everything again. So sometimes it's better just to leave them in the vehicle until EMS shows up and they can get crowd control and traffic control. So right here, yeah, have her sit down. You don't want her to drop.
Her down. I would set her down.
She might have leg injuries because, going under. So one of the things with a frontal impact, you can go up and over the steering wheel, and then you can hit your head on the glass if they don't wear their seatbelt, or they can go down and under the steering wheel, and then you have leg injuries. So there's so much involved. Just giving you some awareness. But what you can really do is just kind of leave her in there and chat with her on the outside of the vehicle.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Do some crowd control. But yeah, once the EMS shows up, like this right here, you're pretty much done. They have the higher level of medical knowledge and can do whatever they need to do.
All right, you too, brother.
But good for him for stopping. What do we got here? Nighttime, hazardous, because visibility is a little bit lower. Maybe pedestrians. We have a right turner. Don't fight for it. Very good.
What are you doing, bro?
Very good. You don't have to follow. They did their thing. You go on with your day. Be proud of yourself for handling the situation. Here we go. T4M.
Estimated his capabilities a little and accidentally hit the.
I see a lot of green in the chat. It's great.
Showed the understanding nonetheless.
Okay, so keep a space cushion. Good line of sight. You can see around the vehicle. You might not make that. It's very good to understand your bike's ergonomics, and you don't have to go if you don't want.
Yeah, that was my leg. It's because I was trying to squeeze through.
She asked if he was all right. That's really kind. I like that.
Thank you.
Really kind. All right, here we go. Remember that car. All right, let's remember it. It's a truck. Okay, so we're having fun with the buddies. Okay. I really want a dirt bike. What kind of dirt bike should I get if it's my first time? Write in the comments. Uh-oh, turned around. So they're gonna win with the law of gross tonnage. It's like a little kid fighting a sumo wrestler. It's not gonna work. KX250. Okay. Just now realized he has a problem. Okay. Try not to escalate it. And the thing is, this doesn't feel like you're escalating because you're doing wheelies. But people are weird. I don't know, just be careful. Just be careful. The best way to handle these situations is just get away from them. Keep head on a swivel so he's looking good. Trying to see what he's angry about. Okay. If you want to, I would just keep going. There you go. Yeah, I would just keep going. Steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Leaving lost, mate.
Yeah, but you came onto a property that says...
Oh, his property.
We were lost.
Sorry?
We were lost.
I know, are you from here?
Yeah.
Alright, because if I know something Smith then...
Hey, we're not thieves, mate. We're just having fun. We went the wrong way, alright?
Sorry?
We're not thieves. We just went the wrong way.
Well, that's alright, but where do you live here? I'm sure you're above board, mate? Because I've got a wife and girls that live up there.
Mate,
He's he's being a dad. Good for him. It's okay. Okay. That was good. I like that. That was a great interaction. Very good. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's a beautiful view. Oh, what happened here? A little stoppy. Okay, having some fun. Did he stall? Hey, kept it up. That's a great view. Look at that. Let's go back to that. That's a great view. Look at that. Wow. All right, I can't keep taking too much time. Here we go. It's a sharp little turn. Having some fun.
Hold on. Gotta talk to Karen real quick.
Oh, jeez. Gotta talk to Karen.
She's just coming out.
Be nice.
Are we bothering you? All right, we'll go somewhere else.
No, that's against the law.
Yeah, I know.
We don't need it here.
Sorry about that. It's just the beautiful scenery.
Here, it's dangerous. There's kids who live here.
I get you.
Okay, very good.
Sure, no problem.
It's this guy. I can't say his name because I got in trouble saying that. Like, it got demonetized. This video is probably demonetized. The last 5 were. So if you guys want to, please download the Smart Rider Drill booklet and help support the channel. $15. It'll totally make up for the fact this thing gets demonetized. But yeah, I said his name and it got demonetized. Anyways, moving on. All right, nice. Nice handling. That's an interesting spot. I don't like that. I don't like it. Oh, geez. Side of the vehicle. Cars hit it. All the blinker fluid came out. Interesting. They get demonetized because it's crashes and close calls, even though it's educational. It gets... YouTube keeps updating their policies and making it more difficult. So... it is what it is, but thankfully we have the store. Thankfully we have the MTC Rider Academy. Thankfully we have sponsors, so I'm able to continue doing this. Keep it on too. Here we go. Side of the vehicle, slowing it down. Good job applying the brakes. They were scared to come in because they saw that they moved out in front of somebody. You let them in, handled it, because you don't want them to get hit by the other vehicles. Good job. Dangerous, 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 dangerous.
Who overestimated his abilities and slightly misjudged the
Panicked a little bit.
but luckily escaped unscathed.
Panicked a little bit. Oy. I do keep membership revenue, but YouTube also takes a big chunk of that.
You okay?
The new, you okay? He's talking like
no,
the little. He's talking to his bike. But yeah, the MTC Rider Academy, that the new course. I'm working on the new book, which is going to lead into the new course, and that's been a help. All right. Ooh, side of the cyclist. Good job with the brakes. Good job with the brakes. Handled it. Good progressive braking. Good job with the progressive braking. What do we got here? We have sides of everything. Lots of traffic. Be careful. We're in a car, so the motorcyclist is right here. Oh, so close. So very close. Got so lucky. That's why you don't just gun it. Okay, side of the vehicle and the trailer. Applied a little bit of the brakes. He apologized. Very good. Moved on. Nice swerve. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, we got merged into by the semi, so found the escape on the shoulder. Moved on. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, well, thanks for the end cards, MotoStars. Appreciate it.